I hit this issue today and here's the quick fix that solved it. If you're looking to withdraw money from KuCoin, follow these simple steps to make the process smooth and straightforward. Step 1. Log into your KuCoin account. Start by logging into your KuCoin account using your credentials. Make sure you have completed any necessary identity verification. Step 2. Navigate to the Assets section. Once logged in, go to the Assets section on the main menu. This is where you can manage your funds and initiate withdrawals. Step 3. Select Withdraw. In the Assets section, look for the Withdraw option. Click on it to begin the withdrawal process. Step 4. Choose your cryptocurrency. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. A quick tip, double-check the withdrawal address to avoid losing funds. If you're withdrawing Bitcoin, ensure the address matches the format required by your wallet. Step 5. Enter withdrawal details. Fill in the required details, including the amount and the withdrawal address. Review everything carefully before confirming the transaction. Once you've completed these steps, your withdrawal request will be processed. It may take some time depending on the network congestion, so be patient. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to KuCoin support. Happy trading!